Need to find shelter. I know, the subway! Keep going. I don't like the look of this. Flying trees? What's next? Actually, I don't want to know. Oh, that doesn't sound good. But I know why.
Ow!
Oh, the water is so cold. Come on, let's go upstairs.
Okay.
We need to climb as high as we can. Otherwise, we're gonna be washed away. Don't panic. We'll get out of here. Look! There's a departing train! We should try to jump on it! Hey! Come on, buddy! Let us in! Wow! Oh, watch out!
Ouch!
Come on! I got you! Look! Here's another train! Run! Hey! Wait for us! I don't like it. There's too much water. We should jump on the railways and try to escape. It's falling on our heads! That was epic. We gotta climb. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Come on, I got you.
Oh no, another one.
Ah! Watch your head!
Ow!
Give me your hand! Don't be afraid. I'm here. I'll pull you out. There you go.
Yeah, wow.
No worries. The water is coming. Ugh. Everything's falling apart. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Let's go. Ugh. Let's run to the front car. I have an idea. Luckily, I can drive trains. Hear the sound of water? Turn around! The water is coming!
Wow. Let's get out of here.
Whoa! The wave is huge! Hold on! Whoa! Thank goodness we're inside the train.
Today's our lucky day.
Wow. What a view. Uh-oh. I don't like the look of that.
What's wrong?
There's rocks on the track. No, this isn't good.
Slow down. Slow down.
Come on, stop!
You're going too fast.
No. This is going to be a bumpy ride.
Hold on. Move, move, move.
What's next?
Wait. The fuel wagon. You're heading for the cliff.
I think it's time to get off this train.
Quick, get out of there.
Looks like this is my stop. I made it.
Are you okay?
I think this train's going to be late. Real late.
Main thing is you're safe. Help it's on its way.
Well, at least I got this beautiful view.
Huh? Another tsunami! Faster! Go! Go! No, look out! Are you okay? We can't stay here. We need to find a way out. Let's move! Up there! That's the way out. Ah! This is crazy! Wait. Oh no! That was close. I need to get to higher ground. Over there. It's a ladder. That's just what I need. Almost there. Made it! Phew! So, now what? Another wave!
No! Look out!
Ah! It's too strong! This can't be happening!
Help me!
Ava, no! I need to help her. Hold on, Ava! I'm coming, Eva!
I have an idea. Watch your head. I'll cut an exit. There you go. Are you all right?
I guess so. Thanks.
No worries. Now let's get out of here. All right, guys, we gotta make another stop. Hopefully it's not too late. There's her car. Wait here. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Oh, I'm so glad to see you. Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. You arrived here just in time.
Phew, thank goodness. Come on, get into the boat.
It looks like the apocalypse.
Let's just stay optimistic and try to survive. The dam is very close. Let's go check it out. Oh no! Watch out!
Whoa! Ah! This wave is too big!
Let's go this way. Be careful!
Hey, look, there's a dog. We can't leave him on this roof.
Hey, buddy, come over here. Don't be afraid. Come on!
Good boy.
Okay, we need to find a shelter.